In the bustling city of Kamalpur, nestled in the heart of India, a sense of peace and tranquility filled the air. Citizens went about their daily lives, unaware of the horror that was to come. Children played in the parks, women shopped in the markets, and men worked in the offices, all oblivious to the impending doom. Suddenly, without warning, demons from the depths of hell emerged from the shadows, wreaking havoc on the city. They were tall, with scaly skin, sharp teeth, and glowing red eyes. The demons rampaged through the streets, destroying everything in their path. Buildings crumbled, cars overturned, and trees uprooted. The citizens of Kamalpur were caught off guard, screaming for help as the demons terrorized them. The politicians and law enforcement agencies were powerless against the supernatural forces, unable to stem the tide of chaos. The police fired their guns, but the bullets had no effect on the demons. The army was called in, but even their tanks and artillery were no match for the demonic horde. Just when all seemed lost, a team of Hindu warriors, known as the Hindu Revengers, arrived on the scene. Armed with machine guns and a fierce determination to protect their people, they charged into battle. Led by Vinayak, the fearless leader of the Hindu Revengers, the team fought valiantly, taking down demons left and right. Vinayak was joined by his trusted teammates, Vishwanath, a skilled marksman, and Narayan, an expert in hand-to-hand combat. Together, they fought bravely, using their skills and weapons to take down the demons. The battle raged on, with explosions and gunfire echoing through the streets. The demons were relentless, but the Hindu Revengers refused to back down. They fought with a ferocity that seemed almost divine, inspired by their devotion to their faith and their people. As the fight intensified, the Hindu Revengers began to gain the upper hand. The demons were starting to fall, one by one, until finally, the last demon was defeated. As the dust settled, the Hindu Revengers stood victorious, having vanquished the demons and saved the city of Kamalpur. The citizens, who had watched in awe as the battle unfolded, cheered as the Hindu Revengers emerged from the smoke, their guns still smoking. Vinayak, Vishwanath, Narayan, and the other unnamed Hindu Revengers ran heroically through the streets. The Hindu Revengers, as they stood victorious, they knew that their work was far from over. They would continue to protect the world from supernatural threats, fighting bravely against demons and other evil forces.